everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. I want to show you these big concrete blocks. We're in the greenhouse garden. We landscaped all this with the beautiful flowers on the other side. We have the squash cascading wall, and then we have the wheelbarrow and other stuff. But now, I kept these. You want to say hi?
Hi.
And it's going to be the entrance to the greenhouse later on. I want to put some tomatoes and some cucumbers to cascade out of it. I could fill this pot, but it's a little hot, and with this heat, it'll bake all the plants. So I'm going to show you a DIY one. It's over here. We already did one. And let me show you how to do it. It's basically chicken wire, this, leaves. What do the leaves do?
They keep it cool.
They keep it cool. It's an insulator.
And no mud.
So what will happen is it keeps it cool. All these vines will cascade over, and then on top I put some flowers that I started from seed that will come up. So
but what about worm? They need worm, but if the worm eats all that stuff, then there will no be wheat in it.
we love worms, don't we?
But if the worm eats all the wheat, then there's no wheat.
So we're going to go over to my leaf pile, and let me show you how to do it. First, you take a piece of chicken wire, and you flip your bucket over. And this is the bad side of the wire, and you may want gloves. And you're going to wrap this around, but you're going to leave a couple inches so you could shove leaves or grass or whatever you want.
Hi.
Fold it like this around the bottom. Okay, and then I'll meet you at the leaf pile. Then all you do is take leaves . Okay, now I'm going to put a couple racks in here because I had a couple pots fall down. So I just want to weigh it. Okay, I'm mixing 50-50 compost with some Epsom salt and tomato, and also the Stay Green 9-month fertilizer. When it's up here, it's going to dry out sooner. So we really need to make sure there's a lot of vitamins in here. Let me fill it up. What I'm going to do, and I've never had these, are the black vernissage or vernissage. I've looked at it both ways. There's about 4 pronunciations. So what I've been doing is I put it over a counter so it would loop down. And can you see this one? It's looping down. So I'm going to bury these in. And this, by the way, if you take a look, is the Cherokee purple. So they're both dark tomatoes. The black vernissage is darker a little bit. Okay, let me see here. Okay, a little tomato vegetable food for it. No, hopefully I don't break this when I take it out.
I'm going to take it out.
Yeah. You want to take it? Thanks. What's that made out of?
Plastic.
Is that plastic?
Or being, or
Okay, these two I started from seed. I ordered them. I was kind of curious about them. So I'm going to plant these just like this. And then I'm going to put a cucumber in the back. Let me do that and then I'll show you the end result. This is what I want to show you. It's kind of a shadow, but here's the tomatoes and two of the cucumbers. We already have cucumbers sitting in the thing. And remember, spray your cucumbers with neem oil. Now this is an extra bonus. These are zinnias that I started from seed. I'm just going to kind of place them in here. And I'm going to cover the whole thing with leaves. The reason I'm doing leaves, it's very hot. And the leaves are going to hold some of the moisture in. So it's not so hard on them. And then I'm going to put cedar mulch on top of that to keep the bugs away. Okay. This is Sabrina and Stefan, and this is our DIY, your own insulated pot with tomatoes, zinnias, and cucumbers. Have a great day. Please subscribe.
And hit 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
And double thumbs up and 3,000 thumbs up. And how you guys every day and all you want it and then that you sweat it. Dun 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 dun.